So I want to talk a little bit about production readiness. I know we touched on it for a few of the specific technologies we went through, but just more of an overall thoughts on that. The comparison to traditional and manual and automated testing is pretty obvious. I mean, it's way ahead of manual testing. The time savings is tremendous, and even against traditional automated testing, um, I no longer have to spend a lot of time, digging through HTML trying to come up with locators and writing code from scratch and all that stuff. AI makes it so I can come in and quickly and easily automate tests that would have taken me 10 times longer to do previously. And that's the real pro there is that's efficiency, right? And scalability. Not only am I able to have one person come in and do that, by making these tools smart and scalable, I can have my entire team, even my manual QAs, I can have the project manager, the business analyst hop in and help, right? It just makes it scalable across the entire organization. And it's cost effective. A lot of the test automation, traditional test automation is open source, but it's labor intensive. And overall, my cost ends up being very high. I have people that are spending a lot of time manually testing or automating, writing code for automated tests that I don't need them to focus, or I can have them focus on other things. I can have them, catch things that aren't automated. Well, there's a lot of use cases that still sneak into production. Just people don't have time to test everything. So it really can make cost effectiveness and just make your overall testing a lot more accurate and reduce the amount of bugs that make it into production.